My name is Stephanie Cotta. I am a professional photographer and I specialize in photographing newborns, babies, and families. I got into photography because after the birth of our first little one, I just wanted to capture all of the little bitty details that I thought I might at some point forget. I just absolutely love being able to capture little moments and little times that just really go by in a blink of an eye. I mean, with my own children or with little ones that I'm able to document, I mean the time that they grow up, it goes by so quickly. I love as a photographer being able to stay home with my little ones and to not miss any of their special moments. And I know that a lot of other moms love that as well. Being able to find that balance between staying home and then also being able to go after something that you really love and are passionate about. Definitely the most challenging thing about this industry is finding a balance. There were many nights where I would stay up until 2 or 3 in the morning because I wanted absolutely everything to be perfect and I wanted to really just continue going after this idea of what I had in my mind for my business. The most rewarding thing about being a photographer is really just being able to deliver images to my clients that they are going to just treasure for the rest of their lives. Before I was a photographer, I was a high school math teacher. I just absolutely love teaching. But what I really love is being able to take something that someone's passionate about, like photography, and really being able to give them the tools that they need to move forward with their dreams and be able to do something that they might not have ever thought was possible. A lot of the things that I did when I was teaching high schoolers are the same kind of principles that I use when I teach others, whether it's in these tutorials or whether at my workshops. So it's not like I'm talking above you. I'm talking in a manner that you can then take the information that I'm giving you and say, hey, I can do this myself. I can take the tools and the information that you're giving me and I can actually make something with this industry. I just absolutely love being able to help people really achieve something that they're going after. So maybe you're just a mom and you just want to learn how to document your own little one. Maybe you decided that, hey, I'm gonna get a camera and I want to go ahead and take pictures and actually start making money from it. Whatever your goal is, I know that I'm capable of helping you achieve those dreams.